Hi guys, I'm Jess. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jess. If you're new, hi, I'm Jess. I'm filming. I haven't been filming for a little while because, excuse you, lawn person. I haven't filmed in over a month, and what does somebody do? They start doing the lawn. Rude. I hope they can't hear me. That'd be awkward. But anyway, I haven't been up to filming, but I'm back, refreshed, raring to go, and I've got some new goodies that I'm wanting to try out because MCO has brought out a new collection. Yes, another one. What is up with brands that are doing all these collections? They're not colour pop. Calm down. But at the same time, I don't mind. What my bank account does, you know. I did not get everything because bank account problems. I did get this is the Tropicool summer collection, even though in Melbourne, here in Australia, we are in, do you mind, the depths of winter. Now my neighbour's car's revving. What is going on? Anyway, how gorgeous is this palette? I picked up this from Woolworths yesterday. Currently on a special for 30% off. I paid $14 for that. Absolutely stunning. I picked up the bronze and blush duo. You have to look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. It's got a flamingo and a pineapple, or as I like to say, a pineapple. I know, that's why I say it's pineapple. 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 How pretty is that? And the scented too. It smells more fruity to me, but it's meant to smell like pineapple, apparently, but it smells really nice. And then I've got the bronzer. Again, it's got the same imprint. And then the last thing I got, I'm still going to pick things up like probably next week, but I didn't have enough cash to get all that I wanted. I got the lip and cheek tint in the shade, I can't read you. What are you? I think you're watermelon. So yeah, we're going to get some colour on my face. I'm not doing the foundation yet because I'm filming a first impressions on a foundation as well in another video. So I'm filming at least 2 videos today. So yay. Let's get some colour on my eyes. Okay, so if I've done my maths correctly, you get 32 eyeshadows in this. Can I open it? I can never open stuff. There you go. That's what she looks like close up. If I'm blind you, look at that. Stunning. Now I did my maths again. I believe you get 13 shimmers and 12 mattes, which I think is pretty good because I like a general mix. I do like to use shimmers as well, like not just mattes. So it's apparently cruelty-free, gluten-free. Yeah, so that's pretty good. It's decent now that you can get gluten-free makeup at the drugstore because apparently that's the same. I've primed my eyes with the Essence Camo Concealer, Camouflage Concealer, and I haven't set my base. And I'm going to be using a mirror from this because the palette does not come with a mirror, so that's fine. And what blush am I going to use? I'm going to use an MCO brush from their Mother's Day range, and their brushes are actually pretty decent as well. And look how cute is this little hair clip. I got it from Kmart. It's not the point, but I just wanted to point it out. So, you know, I'm going to dip into that shade right there. They're not named. There's no kickback in the pan, which is nice. Picks up on the brush. Now I'm going to go in with a deeper shade of that colour, like similar in tone but deeper. Or maybe I'll, yeah. Fine. might go in with that one. The pigmented. I do like MCO's eyeshadows, they're pretty good. I do think that their iron face products are pretty decent. Not a huge fan of their lip products normally. It's gone on pretty smooth. I'm going for the lighter shade again to blend it out more. The transition shades are actually quite pigmented. So that's actually built up and blended out really nicely, like super pigmented. I was going to say pigmented. Pigmented for transition shades. And not harsh at all, super smooth. I'm actually kind of impressed with that. I'm going to deepen it up a little bit. I'm taking this little brush. I'm just going to go in with that shade. Quite a nice neutral shade, I like that. Very pigmented and they're smooth. And that lighter colour that I used first is really nice. That's where we're at the moment. I'm going to take an even deeper brown. That one. I think it's really good that they've included deeper browns in the palette, especially matte, because not a lot do in drugstore. It's something nice, but it is a little bit dustier than the other one. So far I'm liking that these don't blend away to nothing. Again, I'm going to take that lighter shade, just help things out. Never getting browns. I actually am really impressed with how those mattes work. They've blended. I seriously thought there would be an accident in. Nearly gave me a heart attack. I don't know if you guys heard that, but jeez, golly. Anyway, you can see the transition because, like, some drugstore palettes, like, you can't see the transitions, like the shades that you use, but these you actually can. Alright, so in this palette, the perps are calling on my name. So if these two are here, and I'm going to do like the outer half of my eyelid purple, and then I think the inner half like maybe a shimmery lighter shade. I'm going to first try it into your eye. It goes on really nice. Actually, that's not even wet. Okay. They ain't playing. Like this palette for $14, like. I'm going to try it wet just a little bit to see if it does help to amplify it. There we go. Now for the lighter shade, I was thinking of using this really pretty, or is it in the Cool Tone family? What I do use? It's still quite Cool Tone. I'm going to go in with that one on a different brush. I'm going to take that pretty sparkly shade. See what she looks like on there. Pretty. I'm just going to poke myself in the eyeball. That's quite nice. I'm actually really impressed with this palette. Like, look. It's actually blending out so well. So, we'll do the inner corner with that same colour. I'm going to do the brow bone with this is really pretty. It's kind of like a rose gold. So pretty. I'm going to do my face, come back, and I'll do swatches after, and then I will finish off with the blushes, the bronzers, and the lip cheek thing as well. Okay, so I've done my foundation. I'm going to do some contouring or bronzing, I guess, with the Mcobeauty Tropicool Bronze Duo. This is so cute, like, how cute is that? These were $11.20 on special. Now there's one matte one and one like kind of with a little bit of shimmer. Quite a deep shade, but at least it's full tone, which I'm happy about. Bit powdery. That blends out nice. Was she nice? I like that shade a lot. And this is the BYS brush from the Safari collection. That's a really pretty bronzer. Enter. I'm gonna have to get another one of these while they're on special. I really like that. I'm gonna add the shimmer side a little bit. See what she's doing. That's really pretty. I like that one a lot. Now we're going to try the blush. Probably going to try the Cool Tone Pink because I've done like a cool toned look. Oops, that's a pretty colour. So far I'm not having any dislikes out of this collection. I really like that. Okie dokie. The lip and cheek tint, I'm just going to apply to my lips because I've already got blush and that on. But I will try it in other videos because I want to try and do a glossy lip look. That's really pretty. I'm actually super happy with this look. Wow. So pretty. So I'll do swatches and then I'll come back at the end and give you my thoughts. Okay, so I'm not going to swatch everyone because we're going to be here forever and a day, but I'm going to swatch some of the ones that I haven't used, like that blue. I died. Maybe on the outside of my arm. Build up a little bit. How pretty is that? And the darker blue. And then the maroony berry colours. They've done a really nice job with this palette. Like there's a nice mix of a pop of colour, warms and cool neutrals so that you can do a good variety of different looks. So I actually really love this palette. If you want to go down to Woolies now, well, it's only $14 because that's a bargain. Like, look at the eye look I came up with, and if I do say so myself. The cheek and, well, the bronzer and blush duos. I'm very impressed with this bronzer. And the blush it's okay, not my fave, but this I'm quite impressed with. It's actually quite pretty, like it's a pretty, what is it, it's like a cherry red colour. So yeah, this collection is quite good. Let me know in the comments down below what you're going to be picking up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!